Hello guys, this is Shreya and you are welcome in my channel Shreya Knowledge Hub. Guys, as you can see that coronavirus cases are getting spreaded in the whole world very rapidly. And guys, lakhs of people have lost their lives. So guys, you can see how much seriousness is there. So guys, I want to do a small request from you that please stay at your home and stay safe and follow all the guidelines given by the government. Guys, these are only for our benefit. There is no benefit of government in this thing. Guys, even there is being so much loss to our economy. Lots of people are suffering from hunger. Even after that, government has regulated the lockdown. Government has given the order for lockdown. So guys, you can see and you can understand how much seriousness is there if lakhs of people are losing their lives, right? So guys, I want to request that please stay at your home. Don't do it for government, don't do it for anybody. Do it only for your family and for your loved ones. I think you can do this much for your family and for your loved ones, right? So please guys, stay at your home, follow the guidelines given by the government. Guys, even I am working from my home. I have my company that's name is Vedanand Technology Private Limited. We have requested our employees that please stay at your home and work from your home. They all are working from their home. Nobody is coming to office. Even I am not going to my office. You can see the background that I am working from my home. I am also not going to my office. My office is just locked. So guys, you can see and you can understand that if we are working, we have company and we have logged that, so why can't you? You can stay at your home, right, for your loved ones. So please guys, stay at your home, and if you have any queries, then please ask us. We will definitely resolve all your problems. We will definitely reply you, and if you want and if you have any problem, then please tell us. We will definitely make a video on that to resolve all your problems. There is a team behind me. I am not working alone. There is a team behind me which is working in the direction of Ajit sir. When Ajit sir approve anything, then it comes to me. And when I approve anything, then it comes in front of you. So guys, if you have any queries, if you have any problem related to anything, then please ask us, but don't go outside. We will definitely try to resolve all your problems. You can learn digital marketing, you can learn English, you can learn current affairs, you can learn anything. Whatever you want to learn, please tell us. We will definitely make some videos on that. So guys, please again I want to request from you that stay at your home and follow the guidelines given by the government. And guys, if you want to get the latest video updates of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video guys.